muchachos, welcome back today. Today I'm going to talk about 5 products which are literally waste of money in your daily skincare regime. Number 1 is your face mask sheet, which are readily available everywhere in the market and which says that it is going to give you healthy looking glowing skin. But see, if you are going to gym and you are wearing everything what is required but you are not working out, so it is not going to give you the desired result of your six pack. It's the same way, nothing comes overnight. So for a good skin, it is nothing miracle going to happen with a face sheet mask. Whatever they are saying in the ad, the companies are really bluffing. You really don't require those face sheet masks to get a glowing healthy skin, good skin in overnight. So you have to follow some regime, you have to eat some good food which really helps you to get a good skin. Number 2 is your face oil. For us, for the people who are staying in this Indian subcontinent, it's a very hot and humid country and we really don't require any face oil. Face oil it gives you a glass house like effect, which produces much more sebum and which actually clog your pores and helps the bacterial function to be more, which gives you much more pimple or acne. So the face oil is strictly no for, especially for us. The number 3 is under eye cream. Under eye cream is absolutely no because the under eye area is not really much different from the rest of your face. So the normal facial moisturizer, whatever you are using in your face, you can always go and use on your under eye area. It's the same ingredients they are using, but the packaging and the labeling may be something different, and they are asking for a hefty amount for just a 5 gram or 10 grams of product, so which is completely waste of money. Number 4 is the day cream. Day cream is only different from the night cream or the moisturizer is with the SPF. So if the SPF or the sunscreen you are using on daily basis, so the day cream is not required, because anyway you are using that moisturizer or the UVA or UVB protecting layer cream in your skin, so the day cream is really not required. So that is again a waste of money. Number 5 is the physical exfoliator or the facial scrub, which we tend to use maybe once in a week or once in 5 days. See, your good skin cell and the bad skin cell, they are combining together. Good skin cell and the bad skin cell both are getting disturbed with the exfoliation. You cannot take your good bad skin cells out from your good skin cells only by exfoliating. Rather, if you are really want that exfoliation or that desired result, you have to go to dermatologist professionals who will actually help you to get rid of those dead skin cells. So to use the exfoliator is absolutely not necessary, but yes, once in a while, like once in 10 days or 12 days, you can go for the exfoliation, but otherwise don't do it frequently. It will actually imbalance your skin. So these are 5 products which we don't require for our everyday skincare routine, and we can always go and save money, and we can use those money in a good skincare product or the necessary skincare products in our daily life. And I always try to keep skincare regime very simple, very easy, because it's all about simple life. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, please share and follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye.